Hi, my name is Mario Pallarino, and for the past 10 weeks, I've been redesigning a new base for the KitchenBot system. Now, the main problem with the old model is the fact that it could only move in 1 degree of motion. What I mean by that is since the previous design had only one wheel, the base could only move left and right, but not in and out. This problematic feature led to a more serious issue with the base, which is scrubbing. Now, every time the base would maneuver around a corner in the kitchen, the wheel would slide to a new position. This type of motion is very unnatural and inefficient, so our goal in this redesign is to eliminate that motion altogether. Once the main problem was addressed, I gathered up all the specifications we had from the focus groups and started to brainstorm various ideas to solve these issues. This process went on for a little over a week, but with the help of my mentor Josh Telson and Dr. Cooper, we made the decision to implement a driven ball into the design of this base. This new design was great because it gave us our 2 degrees of motion we were looking for, and it eliminated all the scrubbing around the turns because a ball's motion is very fluid and natural. After several weeks of SOLIDWORKS design, I was able to have a final model that would support the KitchenBot. This new model made use of 3 individual omnidirectional wheels that would be used to drive a rubber-coated ball. My design was approved to be prototyped using the SLS 3D printer just this past week. However, due to technical issues outside of my control, the prototyping machine has been temporarily shut down. Because of this setback, I do not have any physical results to share with you, but this prototype will be ready to test as soon as everything is fixed. Thank you very much for your time and attention.